So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to insert lines here in Google Slides into your presentation. So while you have Google Slides open up, go into your presentation now. I'm just going to make this super simple. I'm just going to add a new slide here. I'm going to add a new blank slide to demonstrate with. So if you wanted to go to the top and press on the plus arrow, go ahead and do that. Then go to the bottom where it says line. So swipe this down to the bottom where it says line, press on where it says line. Now you can either go basic line, elbow connector, or curve connector. So if you want to do a basic line, press on basic line. Now you have a basic line. You can kind of play around with it, what angle you want it. That way you can change the thickness as well by just pressing on it and changing the line weight. If you want to add another line for demonstration, you can go to the same thing, plus arrow at the top, go to press on line. If you want to do an elbow connector, you can do an elbow connector right there, so I'll connect it right there. Now this line kind of connects and basically you can play around with it and add whatever lines that you wish into your presentation. But that is pretty straightforward and how you guys can insert lines in Google Slides here on the Google Slides mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.